Hi, this is Emily. This is my video for how to use Google Earth tools. So I'm gonna start on the sidebar here. So you can choose different map styles. We're gonna stick with the exploration for our itinerary, but you can do like a clean with no borders, labels, or everything that has like landmarks and water in transit, or we can customize it. We can do 3D buildings, animated clouds, grid lines, but we're probably just going to stick to the default settings that it has here. It has projects, so we've already started our projects, and we'll get back to that later. This one is like a I'm feeling lucky button, so it'll take you to any place in the world, and just kind of tell you about it. The Voyager, it's just little street views, itineraries, some quizzes, time lapses, 3D imagery. You have games, layers, the street views of things, culture, and all that. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our project. So we started to we got tricked up on this one right here, so we're gonna do this one, the second one. So we've already started our layout, our itinerary. So we're gonna start out in the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. We haven't added the lines on there yet, but if you double click on it, it'll take you to the spot that we have added to the trip. So it'll take you here. We haven't added the lines yet, but I'll go ahead and show that. So we can do draw line, click that. So I just zoom out even further than that, and go to where we are going. So it's all the way over here. I mean, we haven't added our airport for Sweden yet, but I'll just go ahead and connect it to the hostel that we're staying at. So we can connect it, and so for day one, we're also going to the O'Connell's Irish Pub. Let me see if I can find that. There it is. We'll connect it there. I'm just going to end that line right there. So we can save it. So I press enter to save it. I go back. And then it should bring it. It's all the way down here. But typically what we're going to do is just going to bring it up to the top up here. And I'll probably label it as day one. But I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Just because it's not connected to all the places. But we can use, since it's still not finished, we're going to do, we're still going to have to add more places. So I've just been doing search to add a place. So I've just been adding like I've looked up the St. John's Church in Sweden. And it brings it here, and then it shows us like a little bit about it. Like where it is, the wiki page. We can send it to people. Get rid of it. And then let me go back to the project. And we could go, if we want to go somewhere else, we could just click it like that. And it just tells you like different things, like this is like a fine dining restaurant in Stockholm, Sweden. And we're just keeping all of our places around Stockholm in that area, except for the St. John's Church so far. But yeah, we can also present it to, there's a button on there to present somewhere. Add it to a folder, full screen, tile overlay. Yeah, present right there. And then we can edit the title. Add people. I've already added all the people in our group here. And we can export it too as well. And add a description. And that is what we have so far on our trip. Thank you.